Friends, you want best and better English speaking skills. You want to best and better English speaking partner to others. So after you sometime you compulsory sacrifice something in your life. It's 100% fact. But you show only an ordinary interest upon English speaking skills. After in your you permanently stand like an ordinary. But you cannot speak very fluently. It takes some time. You compulsory sacrifice something in your life. Only 3 or 4 months, 5 months. It's depend upon you. 6 months for fluency, you compulsory sacrifice. I am sacrificed everything in my life. I don't watch movies. I don't watch television. I don't like entertainment films. My hard work like my best entertainment. This reason, since some years, I speak very good English. But I started my career from zero level. I did not show interest upon studies in my literature. That time I had a lot of interest in my artworks. After but in other way, out of college, out of school, out of high school, I studied a lot of books and magazines and English articles and English newspapers, daily newspapers. And I tried to learn some vocabulary. Okay, I tried to fix some vocabulary permanently in my mind. That vocabulary useful present situation. In sentence formation, I did hundreds of the mistakes. It's 100% fact. But I did not take any coaching within institution. In spoken English center, I only mature my English speaking only with myself, only with my heart practice. I did hard practice every minute in my life. I sacrificed everything in my life. This reason I speak best and better English, not worst English. This is not my opinion, a lot of people opinion. It explains you have a lot of interest. That interest like a your university. It's like a your institution. Your interest like a you focus your 100%. You show interest upon your English speaking skills. You compulsory to a lot of interest. Your institution only some support to you, but your interest plays key role here. A lot of youngsters are, but they only they only have an ordinary education process. In another way, they speak very good English. Regional languages. They completed their education in regional language. I studied in my native language is Telugu language. Actually, my mother tongue is Kannada. My regional language, native language is Telugu here. I completed my not a graduation, college in Telugu medium only, not an English medium. But in another way, I speak best and better English better than Telugu and Kannada actually. This is my interest. I did not take any coaching with any institution. This is my interest. Okay, my interest like my best institute, university. This reason I speak best and better English. In another way, I have a lot of self-confidence because I'm a hard worker. Only with my hard work, I develop my self-confidence. I develop my knowledge. This reason I have a lot of confidence. This reason I try to discuss with everyone around the world. I don't fear about that. Instant topic, not preparing topic. Instant topic. I try to discuss upon any topic, not hours and hours. Better than Telugu, better than Kannada. Because English like my best friend. Since my childhood, I have a lot of interest in reading. 100% reading. I read a lot of magazines, books, and news articles. Okay, daily newspapers, English newspapers, hundreds of the newspapers, hundreds of the magazines, hundreds of the articles. This reason I speak better and better English. I wrote a lot of articles, 2,300 articles. I covered various topics in my English articles. I shared 2,300 articles only within 4 years. I did not take one rest also because this is my interest. I have a lot of interest at English. This reason I speak best and better English. Okay, this is anything and everything possible. You have a lot of interest after anything and everything possible. After you don't necessary to any institution. This is my best experience. This is my experience. This is your best experience also. You compulsory sacrifice something. I am also sacrifice something in my life. You don't waste your time in another way. You try to use every minute carefully, very, very carefully, very intelligently. You try to receive very good opportunity. You make yourself your some opportunity yourself. Anything. Without opportunities, you make yourself some opportunities. I also this is also one of the opportunity. I develop my communication with others. Exactly. I try to create myself some opportunities. Okay. I recently started one WhatsApp group, Raj English Practice Daily Group, and another way, English Speaking Practice Facebook group also. Both couple of groups are already started because this is my interest. My heart does not agree. My stand can 100%. This reason I recently started one WhatsApp group, couple of groups. I'm a successful person in this process. I don't like entertainment meals. I give best suggestion to you. You receive entertainment, it's compulsory to you for some relaxation. In another way, you try to receive most entertainment with your hard work, by your hard work. That is a very useful tool. After you create best and better society, because society is in our hands, society is in your hands, society is in every person's hands. This reason, any person, every person suitable to inspiration, suitable for inspiration. It's 100% fact. I also stand like an inspiration person. I'm an undereducated person, not a graduate. Some years passed, I did not know about the perfect meaning of what is the meaning of it, what is the meaning of none. I was confusing that time. But in another way, currently I discuss with foreigners also upon any topic and hours and hours. Some years passed, I did not know what is the perfect meaning of veg and non-veg. I was confusing that time. But currently, I discuss with everyone around the world, with professors also, with lecturers also, with students also, everyone also, because this is my self-confidence. I sacrifice something. I don't watch movies. I totally arranged entertainment process in my mind, in my heart. I want my own identity. I am an ordinary person. You are also ordinary person. After you compulsory any identity, you work hard. You should work hard. This process very useful to. I don't compromise anything and everything in my life. I feel myself. I am like a fighter. I always fight with my struggles. In other way, I always fight with my confidence, my learning process. I am always with the fight with the learning process. Learning fight like I try to develop. Fighting means self confidence. You have a lot of self confidence after you try to fight with others. The same thing. I have a lot of self confidence. This reason I have a lot of patience. This reason I try to learn very beautiful. Okay, life lessons, English speaking skills, life lessons. With my life lessons, I perfectly understand about human life value. This is also English speaking is also compulsory. This is also manpower because entire world connects with entire world depends on English language. English language means communication around the world. You have very good English speaking skills. After you will connect with the world only within short time. Okay, compulsory. Try to explain about what your talent is, what your capacity is to the entire world. English language is very useful. English language is compulsory to everyone. Present generation compulsory to English speaking skills. Everyone compulsory English speaking skills. This process like a money. Money means useful. English the same thing. English speaking is also like a money in every person's pocket. Money means useful. Money means compulsory. Money is necessary. The same thing English speaking skills also. For try to communicate with others. English language means you try to explain about what your talent is, what your capacity. But suppose you have some money, you have a lot of money in your pocket after you try to buy anything. Suppose you have little money after you try to adjust with that money. But rotation process. Money means rotation process. Language means communication process. You only use money in your locality also. Currently, in your locality, you try to buy any material in your surroundings, in your neighborhood, in your city, in your town, only limited areas. But language means it's a universal. You have a lot of friend circle in foreign countries also. You try to discuss with that persons in English. This is communication, not a purchasing process, not a buying process, not a selling process. This is communication. Language means communication. Language means you only buy something, some material only. But language is not a material. It's a reaction. It's a heartful reaction. This reason compulsory to English speaking skills. Reaction. You try to explain what about your talent, what about your capacity. Suppose you have thousands of the lakhs of the crores of the money. After you try to buy anything and everything, after everyone decides you are not an ordinary person, you are a rich person, rich person, not a great person. But you try to discuss, you try to motivate a lot of people with English speaking skills, with language. After everyone decides you are not an ordinary person, you are inspiration person, it means you are a great person. So these great lessons, these lessons are great. This reason you try to follow these lessons. Then you don't neglect any situation, every situation. Every situation is very useful for the human. You make your own identity. You stand like an inspiration person to other process. Every situation compulsory. Every situation useful. Every situation has that capacity. Okay.